if you want to hide the apps on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then in that case you can go to the app drawer, and then in here we need to find the security app. And once you open the security app, then you should be able to find, you might be able to find the hide apps option in here in common features. But if you don't have it in here, just scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open this toolbox. And then here in the toolbox we have the privacy protection section where we have the hide apps option. Then you should be able to choose whichever app you want to hide, or apps of course. You can hide multiple apps at once if you want to. So let's say I'm gonna also hide this app over here. You can also check out settings in case you want to make some additional adjustments. And that is pretty much all. Now all of these selected apps are hidden, and in order to find them on the home screen you need to spread 2 fingers apart. So this is how it looks like. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.